Hey you guys, it's Katrina here with Spoken Interiors, and today we're going to be talking about crowns. And so we're going to name this series, one of three, the crowning series. And today we're going to talk about specifically the pinch pleat crown. And so before I get ahead of myself, let me tell you what a crown is. It's basically the type of pleat that you're going to put at the top of your custom drapery. And so today we're going to talk about the pinch pleat, which is the most popular pleat among designers. And there's actually six type of pleats. There's your 2, your 3, your 4, and your 5 finger pleat, and then there's your Euro pleat. So there's 5 different pleats. And let me show you the difference between the 5. So your 2 and your 3 pinch pleat is exactly what it sounds like. Your seamstress is going to take about 5 to 7 inches of fabric at the top of your drapery, and then she's going to pinch it into 3 little sections, and then she's going to tack it at the bottom. And so that's the same for the 2, the 3, the 4 finger pleat, and the 5 finger pleat. But in terms of appearance, your 2 finger pleat is going to take the least amount of fabric, and your 5 finger pleat is going to take the most amount of fabric, but your 5 finger pleat is going to give you a whole lot more body in the overall appearance versus the 2 finger pleat. Okay, so that's the difference between those. And then lastly, my favorite pleat is the Euro, or may be referred to as the French pleat, depending on where you're from. But this is my favorite pleat, and what they do is it's very similar to the 3 finger pleat, but they're going to take their 3 sections and they're going to pinch it at the top versus the bottom. And so that overall look is going to give you the same look as far as the body that a 3 finger pinch pleat would, but it's going to be continuous all the way down. So it's going to make you a nice little bellow all the way down, like a triangle pleat, if you will. It's going to give you a nice little bellow all the way down. It's going to give you a lot of body, but it's not going to take up so much fabric. So that is the pinch pleat crown. And next week we'll be talking about our cartridge crown. So I'll see you then. If you have any comments, put them in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, you guys create what you love and love what you create.